Hi, welcome to Irvine Marriott.
Irvine Marriott is located in Irvine, California, about 1 mile from John Wayne Airport and 10 miles from Newport Beach. The hotel opened in 1983, was renovated in 2004, and has about 500 rooms across 17 floors. This is the lobby. It is quite spacious. On the left is the front desk area. Beyond that is Hot Shops, which serves coffee and pastries from morning to early afternoon. Making our way to the right side of the lobby, there is a pool table. You can rent out equipment from the front desk. This is Flow Lounge, Irvine Marriott's signature restaurant and bar. They are open from 6 a.m. to midnight, serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and have live entertainment in the evening. Down this hallway on the right is M Club. More on that later. At the back of the first floor is NYK, a speakeasy with an ever-changing menu and winner of OpenTable's 2022 Diner's Choice Award. Outside is the patio area, which overlooks the pool deck on the lower level. Heading back inside and hopping over to the elevator landing area, all the elevators have blue mood lighting and a small poster with a QR code to make reservations at their Topgolf Swing Suite. It's difficult to see in this video, but the hallway has motion detectors and brightens the lights when guests walk through. This is a one king balcony room. On the right is the bathroom. It is modern, well lit, and clean. This is the shower. It has a handheld shower head, which is a convenient feature. Irvine Marriott has eliminated single-use bottles in favor of larger pump-topped bottles. Shower products are by This Works. Near the front door, there is a safe, some storage space, and a mini fridge. Next to that is the closet area with an iron and ironing board. This is the bedroom. There is a sofa with a chaise and a king bed with a nice headboard and dark trim. Opposite the bed is a mounted TV, coffee machine, and desk. Outside is the balcony with a great view of the parking lot and some commercial buildings. Another view of the room. Moving down to the lower level, this is the gym. There are towels and chilled water at the entrance. They have treadmills and stationary bikes. The other side has dumbbells and weight machines. Outside on the lower level is the pool deck. There are multiple ping pong tables, plenty of seating, a giant chess set, and an interestingly shaped pool. This is the longest foosball table I've ever seen. Super interesting. There's also a jacuzzi. This is M Club, an executive lounge open 24/7 available at select Marriott hotels. Access is complimentary for guests with Marriott Platinum status or higher. Access can be added to your stay for about $50 per night. On the left is where food and drinks are served. Coffee, tea, and chilled water, soft drinks, and juice are available all day. Traditional American breakfast is served on these counters from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. during the week and until 11 a.m. on weekends. Hors d'oeuvres and desserts are served in the early evening. There is ample seating. This is the bar. Unfortunately, no open bar here. You have to pay for your alcohol in this lounge. Behind the glass walls is a meeting space that can be rented out for 4-hour sessions for $400. This is a long wooden table, ideal for playing board games. Around the corner from the front desk, there is a small convenience store with chilled drinks, desserts, grab-and-go meals, and snacks. A few feet away is Marriott's Topgolf Swing Suite, a golf simulator that can be reserved for 75-minute sessions for $65. Continuing with the golf theme, the hotel has a putting green near the front entrance, a nice amenity. The hotel has a few mechanical and electrical bikes for rent, prices shown on screen. These were all the amenities that I was able to find. And with that, we can discuss ratings. I give the room 3 out of 5. The bathroom was modern and clean. The bedroom had nice finishes, which felt premium. The balcony was nice, but there was not much to look at. The inclusion of a sofa was nice, and that is more seating than many hotel rooms provide, but it was uncomfortable. The 300 square feet is pretty standard. One annoyance was that the mini fridge was behind the front door, a very weird location. Most hotels have a mini fridge near the TV or desk. I give the amenities 4 out of 5. The free amenities like the pool, gym, pool table, ping pong tables, funny foosball table, giant chess set, and live entertainment are nice. Irvine Marriott has a variety of paid amenities such as M Club, Topgolf Swing Suite, Flow Lounge, YNK Speakeasy, and rental bikes. No shortage of amenities at this hotel. I give the intangibles 2 out of 5. The service was pretty much what you would expect from a Marriott. The location is nothing special. You are a mile away from the airport, which can be convenient, but not really within walking distance of any points of interest. One thing that really bothered me was the parking situation. Not so much that they charge $39 per night for parking, but they don't have much parking, and many cars had to park wherever they could find space. For example, these cars couldn't find a parking spot, so they parked at the end of the aisles, which is what we had to do a few times, and that was annoying to deal with. Cash rates for Irvine Marriott range from $180 to $450 per night, with most dates hovering around $300 per night. At $300 per night, I give a 2 out of 5 stars for cash value, which represents little value. The $39 per night for parking detracts from the value proposition a bit, although I would give 3 stars for guests with Marriott Platinum status or higher because they would have complimentary access to M Club, which is nice for free food and drinks. Award nights at Irvine Marriott were going for around 40,000 Marriott points per night. I give a 3 out of 5 stars for award value since that is a reasonable amount of points for this type of property. I would recommend booking with points or a Marriott free night certificate. In summary, Irvine Marriott is a premium hotel located near John Wayne Airport with modern rooms, plenty of amenities, and an M Club. That is all for my review of Irvine Marriott. Thanks for joining.